Hey guys, today we have another budget box unboxing from Plouise. This is the February budget box. I was just having a look online and yeah, because I haven't bought one since February. Like the ones that they're coming out with are cute, but I don't know, I just feel like I don't know, so like they're such great value and they're so great, but I feel like I just have so much Plouise makeup and like it's kind of this, like, you know, obviously there's only so many products, so we keep getting more cheap products and lip products and things like that. I feel like I have so many, so I don't know, none of the budget boxes since February have really like sparked my interest, but maybe we'll buy some more because I really do love doing these unboxings. But I just, yeah, all the recent ones haven't really, you know, excited me that much. But this one is such a great box. I'm so happy with this. I love it. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we have is called It's Giving Princess lip oil set. This has 3 lip oils in it. It's got Spoiled Sparkle, Crystal Queen, and Tiara Topaz. Why did I say it like that? Packaging is so cute. So this one is called Tiara Topaz. Oh, they do look really pretty. They kind of just smell like watermelon, maybe? I don't know. Anyway, so this first one is like a beautiful, like brownie taupey shade, obviously. We have that one. And then we have Crystal Queen. Yeah, these all smell the same. So normally the lip oils are sold based on like their scent. But obviously these ones I think are just meant to be more kind of like sparkly ones with all like the same scent. This one here is called Crystal Queen. Hopefully it's focusing. And then the last one that we have is called Spoiled Sparkle. This one looks to be a little bit pinky. Oh, they actually smell really nice, I'm not gonna lie. So that is the last shade. I don't know what to do with these because I have so many of these lip oils. I've got heaps to go through, but oh, these ones look like really pretty and they also smell really nice, so I don't know. I'll either keep them or pass them along and giveaway, I don't know. But how cute is the packaging? I just think that's so cute. I love the little windows, like, oh, so cute. Next thing we have is 2 pairs of lashes. So we have Little Luxury. These ones look a lot more natural. Super cute, very natural. I reckon I'll put those ones in a giveaway because you know that I like a big eyelash. And then this one is called Foxy Flicks and these are absolutely stunning. I will say though, they're almost a little bit too big for me. I'm honestly still going to keep them though and trade them. Then we have some really exciting products in here. So the first thing that we have is the In Love With Me. Confidence in your skin means confidence within. This is the foaming facial cleanser in the watermelon scent. How cute is that? Look at the little applicator thingy. Let's open it up. I think my cat's doing something naughty. Hang on. She was just sitting on the couch. Oops, I feel mean now. I love Plouise, but I hate this plastic. I swear I always spend like a good 10 minutes trying to get this stuff off. I do have scissors, so from now on, I just need to use the scissors. Cute! So this is how it looks. It's... Did I just snip my pajamas? I think I'm okay. Alright, so this is how it looks. It's actually such a cute little bottle. Then we have this thing up here. What is this contraption? So you take that off. You must like it must come out of there and you must like foam it all around your face with this little thing. That's so cute. I love that. So yeah, I feel like things like this are just so cool because they're quite like unique. Like I feel like I don't really see that a whole lot. And it looks like you can even take this off if you want. I guess obviously to wash it and all that kind of stuff. So yeah, that's really cute. I really want to smell it. Should we do it? Okay. I feel like I'm worried it's going to clean up. Oh, okay, so you can see it there. Oh, that smells really nice. Yummy. It smells like something I've smelled before. Like I know it's obviously watermelon scented, but it reminds me of like something like... I feel like that's going to feel so nice with that little rubby thingy on it. How cute is that? Love that. So cute. See, this is what I mean. Like I love Plouise when they come out with like cool stuff like this because it's something that like I guess I don't really have. Yeah, this was a very heavy skincare based box, which I love. This is the Make It Melt Makeup Melter in the scent Mango. Such cute packaging. Let's open her up. I'm just going to go straight for the scissors this time. And I think that they have all of these things in like a couple of scents. They've released like this new line. Well, it's not really new anymore. Obviously, this is from February. So that is the packaging. I just think it's so cute. I don't know. Like, I love Plouise. You guys already know that. So when we undo it and give her a little sniffy. Oh, that's really, really nice. Looks really cute on the inside. Obviously like orangey yellow. It's really like fresh, like subtle mango scent. I really quite like that. That smells really nice. Then we have the jelly makeup remover. So we have a makeup melter and a jelly makeup remover. Very weird, very cool. I like it. They have sent this one over in the watermelon scent. So cute. I love this, and I love that all of the packaging kind of coincides. Oh no! Look, it's like spilled all through there. I know what this reminds me of, by the way. Too Faced did a thing called it was like the What It Dew foundation or whatever. And it was all like watermelon scented. And that's what this reminds me of. Yum. That smells so good. I'm really upset that it's like leaked everywhere, but that's fine. I'll give her a wipe down a little bit later. Smells really good. It's the same obviously scent as the facial cleanser. Then the last thing we have is the plumping moisturizer. It's called the Plump Me Pretty in the scent Mango. So I think I have one of each scent. Oh, sorry, pineapple. So we have a pineapple, a mango, and a watermelon. And I think those were all of the scents that they came out with. So I feel like that's a nice variety of scents and like good choice, you know? So that's the little box that it comes in. Super cute. And then once again, it just looks, it's so cute. They all just match. This feels like it's empty. Oh, wow, that looks like a really nice moisturizer. Yum, that's really nice too. It's like really subtle. Once again, it almost has like a little bit of a sweetness to it. So, that's how it looks in there. I've just realised there might be, yeah, that feels really nice going on the skin. I just rubbed a bit of excess into my hand. Oh, that smells so good. I really like that. I'm so excited. I feel like this box is actually so great. One of like the best boxes that I've had in a while. I just want to quickly look at something really quick. No, so there's more flavours. There's pineapple, peach, watermelon. Okay, so in the moisturiser you can either get pineapple, peach or watermelon. That's in the moisturiser. In the jelly makeup remover you can either get pineapple, peach or watermelon. In the cleanser you can either get pineapple, peach, watermelon. And then in the Make It Melt makeup remover you can either get birthday cake, mango, orange or coca. So there you go. I feel like it's weird how they do like a random little switch up for the Make It Melt cleanser, but I don't care because yeah, anyway, just wanted to tell you guys that. Yeah, so that was the budget box for February, and I'm just having a quick look on the website. They do sell little bundles that has the cleanser, the jelly makeup remover, and the moisturizer all together. Looks like it's currently sold out, and the moisturizer is currently sold out, but they still have the jelly makeup remover and the foaming cleanser. And they have all of the Make It Melts. So yeah, I'm so excited. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.